At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a toilet paper company can be an interesting venture, especially considering the perennial demand for the product. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the toilet paper industry. Understand the demand, competition, pricing, and trends. Identify your target market and their preferences. 2. E-business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your company's goals, target market, products, pricing strategy, marketing plan, financial projections, and operational requirements. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal formalities. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities and obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate a manufacturing facility. 4. Location and equipment. Secure a suitable location for your manufacturing facility. Acquire the necessary equipment for manufacturing toilet paper rolls, including machines for cutting, packaging, and wrapping. 5. Raw materials. Source high-quality raw materials such as pulp or recycled paper, depending on your product specifications. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure a steady supply chain. 6. Product development. Develop your toilet paper product considering factors such as ply, texture, softness, absorbency, and eco-friendliness. Conduct product testing and iterate until you achieve the desired quality. 7. Branding and packaging. Create a strong brand identity for your toilet paper company, including a memorable logo, packaging design, and brand messaging that resonates with your target market. 8. Distribution channels. Decide on your distribution strategy. You can sell directly to consumers through online platforms, establish partnerships with retailers, or explore wholesale distribution to businesses such as hotels, restaurants, and offices. 9. Marketing and sales. Develop a marketing plan to promote your toilet paper brand. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing channels, including social media, advertising, PR, and partnerships. Offer promotions and discounts to attract customers. 10. Quality control. Implement strict quality control measures throughout the manufacturing process to ensure that your toilet paper meets industry standards and customer expectations. 11. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Address any issues promptly and strive to exceed customer expectations. 12. Expansion and growth. Continuously evaluate market trends and customer feedback to identify opportunities for expansion and growth. Consider introducing new product variations or expanding into related product categories. Starting a toilet paper company requires careful planning, dedication, and attention to detail, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and profitable business venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.